guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be doing a HomeGoods haul. I recently did a TJ Maxx haul and now I'm going to be doing one on HomeGoods. Now I didn't buy all of these in one shopping trip. This is a little bit like over a couple of months. I decided to put them all together and show you guys what I got. And this is more of home decor and home stuff. So I wanted to do a separate video on this one. My last video on TJ Maxx was more clothing. They do not sell clothing at HomeGoods. They only sell it at TJ Maxx, at least in mine. I don't know if they do at other ones, but I am excited. These are my two favorite places ever, and where I live, they're right next to each other in a plaza. So if I'm there, I go to both of them and check both of them out. So I'm excited to show you guys what I got. And remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. So please subscribe to my channel or consider subscribing and just hit that notification bell just to see when I upload, and give me a follow on Instagram, and you can keep updated with when I post my videos and what's going on in my life there. Also, thank you for everybody that has subscribed to me. I appreciate it so much, especially since I put so much work into my YouTube channel. So thank you again for your support. And if you guys want to see what I got from HomeGoods, and then just keep watching. So these are kind of random things that I'm just kind of throwing together. Some are decor and some are cleaning. It just kind of random things. First, I will start off. This is a little bit dirty, honestly, so please don't mind the dirtiness of it. But I got a dustpan that comes with a little broom. I have one right now, but I feel like it doesn't work as much. So I wanted to try a new one out, and this one works better, but still the rubber thing kind of gets in the way and I have to move it around to try to get everything into it. So let me know if you recommend any good dustpans. I know it's kind of random, but I, use this a lot for every day for cleaning and whatnot. But I thought this one was kind of cute. It was different. The duster on here isn't like the other dusters. It's like more flat, bends a little bit, but I don't know. I do like it better than the other one I have where the handle is different. I do like it. I believe this was about $5, so it wasn't much at all, but I'll get good use out of it. I am looking for a good dustpan if you can recommend one to me. Next thing that I got is a towel for the bathroom. Now, we just moved into this apartment a couple months ago, and I wanted to do like a gray theme in the bathroom, so I have a lot of grays and whites. And I just needed something to go along with that theme. I have a little towel hanger in one spot in our bathroom, and I wanted a towel for decor. So I actually found this, and I just thought it was cute. It's pretty big. It is a good size, but I think it's perfect. I can switch it out with the hand washing towel and use this as well, but I probably will end up using it just for decor, and I just have it hanging up like this, and I just think the pattern on it is really pretty, and I'm just really into neutrals and that gray and white color together. So my bathroom is mostly grays and whites, and I do have a little bit of purple in the shower curtain, but mostly grays and whites. So I really love this, and I believe this was about $5 as well. This one is kind of going to be hard to show. I showed it actually in my lifestyle favorites, but I want to show it in here as well because I'm just obsessed with it, and my cats actually love it too. So it is this blanket. It's like a leopard print with gray and white in it. And I really love it. I kept going back to it when I was in the store, and I just think it's the softest blanket ever. This was $20, which I don't think is crazy, but I mean, it is a little bit more on the expensive side, but the quality of this blanket is amazing, and I use it every single night, and I'm just obsessed with it. I had a whole bunch of different blankets there that were great quality, so I would highly recommend going there and checking out their blankets because I think it's inexpensive for the quality that you're getting, and they have so many different designs, and I love neutrals, so I was in the neutral section. I just think it's so pretty, and it goes with anything, so I would highly recommend HomeGoods blankets. Definitely go check it out if you're looking for a good blanket. I mentioned this in my lifestyle favorites as well, but I want to mention again because it's from HomeGoods, but it is an ottoman, so I mentioned it there. I will post a picture of it right over here. I can't really show it because it's so big, but I think it's just modern and nice, and it goes with anything. It's black and white, and I believe I might have some tan in there, but the bottom of it is wood, which I think is really pretty and makes it modern, and I just really love it. They always have different ottomans at TJ Maxx and HomeGoods, so I would recommend checking out both of them because I went to both and checked it out, and I liked a lot of them there. And I mean, they're not the cheapest. It was $60, so I mean, it is like a medium size. It's not like a huge size. We decided to get it because we were looking for an ottoman that was cute and small, not too like crazy. because we don't want it to take up too much room in our living room, but just enough that somebody can put their feet up on it and relax. Actually, the day that we brought it home, my one cat loved it. My cats are obsessed with a lot of things that I get and they have to check it out, but my one cat is obsessed with it and sits on it all the time. I just think it makes a great decor piece and it's nice to use as well. So the last 3 things that I have are signs. So we were looking for different signs to decorate our apartment, decorate in the room. We haven't hung them yet. We are planning on it probably this weekend, actually. Behind our bed over there, we have 2 pictures and we needed a 3rd one for above our bed. So we were looking for something. We ended up picking up this one, but we're not gonna go with this behind our bed. We're gonna hang it somewhere else. So hopefully this doesn't reflect the light as much. So it says, enjoy the little things, and I just really loved what it said on it. You can kind of see it a little better, but yeah, it says enjoy the little things, and it's like foiled silver, and I just think it's really pretty. I'm still gonna hang it up somewhere. I'm just looking for a place for it, but I just think it's really nice. And this one, I left the price tag on it because we haven't hung it yet, is $14.99, and it's a good size, so I think it'll just look pretty in any room that we put it in. So yeah, we needed something for above our bed. We are not going to use this, but I'll show you the one that I'm going to use. I ended up going back and finding another one. This is the one that we want to use for our bedroom because we have more pictures of us and it's more of a like love theme, I guess you want to say, or more of just like about us because obviously it's our bedroom. So I found this and I thought it was perfect. I sent it to my fiance and he loved it too. It's just like a wooden theme. And it says, you make my heart happy. And I just think that's so nice. And it's just so cute. So we're going to hang that above our bed. And I think that goes better with what we have up there. And it's not as big. And the things we have up there aren't huge anyway. So I just think this is really pretty. And I'm excited to have this hung up in our bedroom. So if you are looking for pictures or anything to hang up, go to TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. They have the best things and they're inexpensive. And this was $7.99, which I think is a great price for this picture. Last, we have a couple pictures hanging in our bathroom right now, but we have another wall that we wanted to hang something up on. And like I said, my bathroom is a white and gray theme, so I wanted something along those lines. And I just think this is so cute. It's basic, but it's pretty. So it says, wash your worries away, and it has a little bathtub. So that's what it looks like. I just think that's such a cute thing to hang, and it has the colors that I love in it. So we're gonna hang that up. I think it just goes with all the colors in there. And I'm just excited to hang all these things. I love hanging stuff up and decorating, so I'm pretty excited about that. I also did get, which kind of goes along with the dustpan, I did get a broom there. I can't really show it, it's hard to show in here. But it's just a basic broom. I believe it was about $5. They just have really inexpensive things. So if you just got a home or looking for stuff for your home, for cleaning decor, go there because they have inexpensive stuff and they have clearance. So you can go look at the clearance rack and find a lot of good things. They have clearance sections all throughout the store. So I think it's just nice to go there and check out the clearance and see, you know, what they have or what they haven't sold. They still have really nice things. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this HomeGoods haul and saw some things that you'd like, especially if you just got your own place or you're looking for some decor pieces. They always have different stuff at every TJ Maxx, but at least you have an idea of the things they have there. HomeGoods obviously has more of the home stuff. Then TJ Maxx has more clothes, but it still has home stuff as well. So I would check out both of them, definitely. Also, remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so please consider subscribing to my channel and just hit that notification bell just to see when I upload, and give me a follow on Instagram so you can see when I upload as well. Also, thank you for subscribing to me. I appreciate it, and it means so much to me since I put so much time into my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
This is, I don't even know what to call this. So I got one of the little sweeper, I don't even know what to call this. I got one of the sweeper little things with a paddle sweeper. What the hell is this called?